Minaj adds another honor to her long list, the first female rapper to ever cover Marie Claire magazine. What's up, my precious barbs? Thanks for stopping by Clever Music. Nicki Minaj covers Marie Claire's August 2013 issue in a red plaid punk look and her new short blonde bob wig. We love this look because it's sophisticated yet still edgy. Marie Claire has shared with us a behind-the-scenes video of the cover photo shoot, showing Nicki picking out clothes, striking her confident poses, and answering some questions. Our favorite answer is when she admits she can't stop buying toothbrushes. Keep it fresh, Nicki. Good work. For the actual magazine cover story, Marie Claire asked fans on Twitter for questions, and Nicki answered as many of the 20,000 entries as she could. When asked if she had a boyfriend, Nicki shocked us, revealing, "Dear Barbs, I don't have a man, and if he were a secret man, why would I reveal him?" So is she saying she does have a man? It's possible because she also told the magazine, "I want to be a mom one day." But it seems that will have to wait for now. Her career is at an all-time high, recently judging American Idol, to which she explained, "I didn't want to blow smoke up their ass. I wanted every contestant to leave with something that they could remember." Personally, we enjoyed her colorful comments on the show, and the show is what got her the acting role in the Other Woman movie, which Nicki admits she's nervous for because this is her first big role. Nicki told Marie Claire, "I at least want to do 3 more albums. If I can do that, I'll feel complete. One day when I start getting a couple gray hairs, maybe it will all be only acting." Whoa! We're kind of surprised to hear her say that. Only 3 more albums, Nicki? We're sure Barbs will be able to change her mind. And don't worry, the interviewer asked a fan question about Drake. Is Dricky going to happen? To which Nicki cleverly avoided answering. But she did give Barbs some dating advice. Don't chase any man. Men are kids at heart. They want to be nourished and pet like a dog. That kind of makes us laugh, and hopefully you guys don't take that the wrong way. For more of her Marie Claire interview, go get it right now on newsstands. Thanks for watching Clever Music with all your Nicki Minaj news. Tell me in the comments if you think Nicki should leave rapping for acting eventually. I'm your friend Misty Kingma. See you soon with more music news right here on Clever Music.